Question number 28, question number 28, exercise 7.2. We have to continue. Cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Method is substitution method. We have same method, put 1 plus sin x equal to 3. This gives cos x into dx equal to dt. We also put the value of this cos x into dx. This is here. So we add, this is simple form, dt upon root t. Very easy form, t to the power minus half into dt. This also know that t minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1. This also come minus t root t or 1 upon 2 minus half plus 1 2 root t. We also put the value of t, so root under 1 plus sin x. We have to check and explain also this simple method. Question is, it is clear cos x dx upon 1 plus sin x. Here is 1 plus sin x, we have to put t, so this is 0, cos x into dx equal to dt. We have cos x into dt upon root t. This is very easy formula, t के power minus half plus 1. This is half, so root t plus c. We also know that what is t? T equal to root 1 plus sin x. We have to explain, and next question is log sin x. Okay, we have to put log sin x. Put log sin x. Sin x equal to t. This is the differentiation. 1 upon sin x into sin x का cos x into dx equal to cos upon sin cot x into dx. This is equal to dt. We also put cot x into, this is cot x into dx. So this is, we also, and this is cot x log sin x equal to t. So t into, this is very easy, t means t square upon 2 plus we have also substitute what is t, so log sin x power 2 plus c upon 2. We have to explain and check cot x log sin x into dx. Put log sin x into, we have also 1 upon sin x into cos x by the chain rule, dx equal to dt. We also dt by we also, this is t. So t into dt, this is every term, t square upon 2 plus t. This is also good upon cos, this is cos x. Question is, we also put this here. So we have put 1 plus cos x. In every question, 1 plus cos x, so this is minus sin x into dx equal to dt. Minus sin x means this is minus, or this is dt upon t. Also minus dt upon t log t. So minus log t plus c. We also put minus log what is t, so this is 1 plus cos x plus c. We have to explain and check sin x upon 1 plus cos x. We have 1 plus cos x equal to t, so this is dt. So minus sin x into dx equal to dt. We also know that minus d, minus here is dt upon t and log t. So minus log t plus c, and we also substitute the value of t, 1 plus cos x plus c is constant. We have to add in every person. Okay, next 1 plus cos x This is also dx. We have to also put put 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x equal to t. So minus sin x dx equal to dt. We also know that minus dt sin x into dx, this is minus dt, and 1 plus cos x equal to t, so this is t square. And we also know that minus t k power minus 2 plus 1, this is minus 2 plus 1 plus c is also, and this is also check. We have minus 2 plus 1, so this is minus, or this is 1 upon t plus c. We also substitute the value of t, so this is minus 1 upon what is t, so 1 plus cos x. We also check and explain right or wrong. This is 1 plus cos x equal to t, so this is minus sin x into dx, and we also know that minus dt upon t square, this is t square, minus 2 plus 1 plus c, this is also minus 1 upon t plus c. This is the complete solution. 1 plus cot x. One upon 1 plus cot x. We need to have to explain 1 plus cot x. We also write 1 upon. This is also 1 plus cot x. So this is 1 plus cos x upon sin x. We have to solve. Then integrate. Okay. We also 1 upon, this is also sin x. This is sin x plus cos x. One plus cot x means cos upon sin. We also take LCM sin x. So this is sin x plus cos x. Sin x is sin x plus cos x. Question number 35. Question is 1 plus log x to power equal to upon x. We have put 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x equal to t. So this also gets 1 upon x into dx equal to dt. We also the put, this is t, so t square into very easy, t square means t3 upon 3 plus c. We also get t means the value of 1 plus log x power 2 upon 3. We have to explain and check. Question is 1 plus log x के power equal to upon x. We have to put 1 plus log x equal to t, then 1 upon x into dx equal to dt, and this is t square into dt, t के value t3 upon 3, and we also put the value of t 1 plus log x power equal to upon 3. Okay. Next. This is 1. We also write this x plus log x. We also let x plus log x equal to t. This is 1 plus 1 upon x into dx equal to dt. This also, this is in the form of this 1 plus 1 upon x into this also here x plus log x. Smartly we have to, this is dx, this is dt, this is dt into t square. We also know that t means t3 upon 3 plus c, and we also put the value of t, x plus log x power 3 upon 3 plus c, c is constant. We have also explain x plus 1 upon x plus log x. We also substitute x plus log x equal to t. So in differentiation 1 plus 1 upon x. So 1 plus 1 upon x into dx, that is dt, and this is also t square. Very easy, t की power 3 upon 3. Next question. Tan inverse x की power 4 equal to 1 upon 1 plus x के power 8 into x के power 3 into 4 x के power 3 into dx equal to dt here, and this 4 also this is in division form. So dt upon 4. Okay, we have to continue. Question is x के power 3 into dx equal to dt. So this is dt upon 4. 1 upon 4 is constant, and this is also sin t. And sin t into dt. So sin t into dt means cos t minus cos t. Cos t plus c, and also this is also 1 upon 4 is constant. 1 upon 4 cos, and also t is this tan inverse, and also x के power 4. We have to also explain x के power 3 sin tan inverse x to the power 4. We have also put tan inverse this equal to t. So t means this equal to t. So their differentiation is x to the power 3 upon 1 plus x power 8 into dx. This is equal to dt upon 4. So dt upon 4 sin t, और sin t का cos t minus cos t plus c, and this is the complete solution, and this is the complete answer.